Hello everyone, today I am doing something that I've never done before and I don't think I've ever been so excited for a video ever. I'm doing a Trader Joe's haul. I have 3 bags here. I can't pick all of them up because I have no strength actually. Also, I just want to say that I did not know that I was going to film this video. I thought this was going to be, you know, a chill homework day, and then all of a sudden I was like, I want to be healthy. So I went to Trader Joe's. I wasn't gonna do a haul because I didn't know what I was gonna get. I didn't think I was gonna get a lot. But then I ended up getting like the whole store. So I'm doing a haul, so that's why I'm not wearing makeup and this is just not working. So let's just focus on the food. First thing I got flatbread. This is Indian style frat boy bread. I like to dip this in hummus and just like other dips. I got these pita chips, also something that I could dip in hummus. Also, this haul might be healthy. I don't know actually. My grandma got this cheese. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It's white stallion. It's not stallion. It's basically like cheese with apricot. My grandma also got some little bananas. I'm really excited about this. I got some unsweetened. I wish they were sweetened, but it's probably healthier that way. Organic acai packets because I love acai bowls. I love all that, so I can make mine at home because normally they're like 12 bucks. To go to a store or like a acai place and get a bowl. I'm literally so excited about this. I think a little too excited. This is artichoke and jalapeno dip. Artichoke and jalapeno dip. This is my dip. I'm so excited. I love anything artichoke. So I'm gonna use the Indian style bread, the flatbread, and the pita chips to dip in here. I got hash browns because I don't know. I feel like I eat the same thing for breakfast and it's not even that healthy. Not saying that this is healthy. I'm just saying that this in like another thing that I got, I'll show you in a second, and like an egg is probably healthier than having a bagel. This would be a good way to start my day, and I love potatoes. I'm gonna try the pita chips and the artichoke dip. This will be a little taste test, actually. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna take a chip. Boy, just brush my teeth though, so it might not taste good. Okay, here it is. My mouth is watering. I need to put this away right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so good. You see, that is dangerous. I don't even know if I can go on because that was so good. Now onto the next bag. I got some almond milk. I need to put this stuff in the fridge. I feel bad for it. Almond milk. This is just the non-dairy. Obviously, I didn't get the unsweetened one because I don't really, I mean, I like almond milk. I only like almond milk if it's sweetened. And my grandma got these bird's nests, the vegetable bird's nests. I love these. She normally only gets these for like when we have guests over, when we're going to, you know, someone's house and we have to bring something. And then she also got this hearts of palm pasta. I have no idea what this is. This kind of makes me feel like healthy and like vegan or whatever. I got meatless breakfast patties. They're basically like sausage patties, I'm guessing. I hope. I feel like meat just has always hurt my stomach so bad and I just feel gross and I feel like after I eat meat, especially red meat. Hopefully this will start my little journey of not eating meat because it doesn't go well with my insides. Next few things are my grandma's stuff. So she got cauliflower and broccoli vegetable patties. She also got this zucchini swirls. So it's like zucchini pasta. Now on to the third and the last bag. Some butter lettuce because this is the only lettuce that I genuinely enjoy eating. And then I got some cut and peeled baby carrots. Also for the artichoke and jalapeno dip. I mean, you could use carrots in anything, like ranch, hummus. I don't like carrots by themselves, so I kind of have to have, you know, a dip or something with them. And my grandma got a Cobb salad because this is her favorite salad. Oh my god, I am so excited about these. I got the maca blue, I don't know, almonds basically with rosemary. I had these when I was on vacation with my aunt and uncle. They had them out before dinner and I couldn't stop eating them. They are so good. They're the perfect snack because they're light and not like terrible for you, but they also are so flavorful, like the rosemary really. And then I got some gnocchi. I was really hoping to get the cauliflower one. Didn't have any more. which makes sense because it's like super popular, so I had to get the regular one. It also says it's made in Italy, so my grandpa and my family and I will put that to the test. This is the Cajun style Alfredo sauce. I love this. So basically it's like a spicy, cheesy, flavorful, creamy sauce. And my grandma got the hearts of palm. I have no idea what this is. And she got some polenta. This is very different. Normally we make our own polenta. Like, we've never bought packaged polenta. So this would be very different for us to eat. Last but not least, I got some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil. I actually have vitamin E oil from like CVS or something. It's like Spring Valley brand. I feel like, I don't know if it likes my skin or not, but this one from Trader Joe's, my skin liked. I guess it's all kind of like the same, but I don't know. So that was everything that I got from Trader Joe's. This was so fun. I love grocery shopping. I love shopping in general. I love Trader Joe's. Just the environment at Trader Joe's and just the people and just all the stuff. It's just, I honestly think it's my new therapy. Like, I'm just gonna start going there like 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!